Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will quickly show you how to remove Android restrictions in File Manager. Now, just to be clear, you can't remove these restrictions directly from your default phone's native File Manager app. Instead, we are going to bypass this by downloading a third party that gives you access without restrictions. Go to the Play Store and search for Material Files. It's a great app made by Hygen. I've already got it installed, but you can download it easily from the Play Store. Here is the file. This look like this. Once installed, open the app. It will request permissions to access your phone's memory. Just give the permission. With Materials file, now you have full access to all your files, including those that were previously restricted in your native file manager. This app makes it super easy to browse and manage your files without any limitations. It's simple but effective fix. And that's it. You're now all set to access and manage your files with ease. Enjoy. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you next time.